Aš jam leidžiu laimėti. Aš jam Išimk šitą. Išimk.
All right, my people. So I'm so glad, to be back. I always like to, to come over, but like today it's like a special day. Like Rockers Rush, to have the place, ready for my visit. So like I'm excited. I'm very, very, very happy. For you guys, to have like such nice place. Congratulations. I'm very proud of you. And today, I'm here more to celebrate that than teach. So let's go have a good time. We're gonna do some rounds on the end, for we can, put a good energy for these new mats. And let's go, everybody, fit together. Sensei, just open the circle here. Let's start already with like a little.
Viskas, mano darbas padarytas. Nusivaliau statybinės dulkės, galim judėti čia. Nesu gyvenime taip sunkiai dirbęs niekad. Toks jausmas, kaip savaitę kažkas mauntę laikė. Užmauntintą giliotinai. Kaip Volkanovskis.
He's going again to get robbed on the tournament.
I don't know. Did you see that shit?
No, I didn't see what happened. He just posted. I just saw it.
Yeah, he was in European Championship. He was smashing the guy for like 5 minutes. He was passing and moving around. He was doing everything right. He couldn't finish the pass, but they gave the passive points for him.
Change everything. Change your gi, change your club, change everything. Go like long hair. Maybe it's the problem is there. Like be from another country. Maybe it's the problem.
Pristatysi pagaliau salę, ar ne?
Oi, kiek laiko užtrukau su statybom? Ar nesibaigęs? Šiaip idėja buvo, tai prieš COVID jau turėjau idėją. Bet COVID sumaišė biškį planus, kaip ir daugelio žmonių turbūt, ir biškį nukėlėm. Dabar atsirado galimybė ir proga prasiplėsti. Ir manau, buvo geras metas, gera vieta. Viskas sukrito, kaip sakoma. Visos kortos sukrito ir galėjom tai padaryti. Tai va, turim tikrai neblogą vaizdą. Vieta vienas dalykas, kas gali treniruoti antras dalykas. Žmonių skaičius trečias dalykas. Ja, bet šitas visas toks prasiplėtimas, galima sakyti, ir antra salė Vilniuje. Manau, toks labai didelis žingsnis mūsų komandai, dėl to, kad nieks iki šiol, ne tik iš jiu-jitsu, bet ir iš kitų kovos menų, kad vienam mieste turėti 2 savo džimus ir juos išlaikyti ir didelį išlaikytų kokybę, nieks nėra padaręs. Tai nežinau, gal būsim pirmi, o gal būsim dar vieni, kuriems nepavyko. Šiaip nusiteikęs pozityviai, manau, viskas bus gerai. Labai džiaugiuosi, kaip viskas susidėlioja ir ką mes turim dabar. Net nežinau, bandžiau skaičiuoti, bet pametu jūroje, tai maždaug šiam 5, gal šiam 6. Nežinau, bet dabar virš 60 žmonių ir vietos dar yra.
Jeigu nežinočiau, ką čia daro, tai šono labai blogai atrodo.
So, if the guy does not have the posture, he doesn't have the power to push the knee. Right? You have to think about that. If the guy is on top of you, you're not going to get crazy here and try to do things like that. Why? Because the guy's on top of you. How are you going to be able to take the guy from here? So you have to judge, the scenario. If the guy put himself low, I cannot bump nothing here. Right? If the guys push my knee with the head down, I don't care. He's not going to open this easy. He needs to push up to have some power there to open. Right? Actually, if he starts to do this, push like this, I'm going to start to attack like a regular choker here. So as soon as I do this, he's going to start to put the hands on my yes or to try to escape. Then I release. Now he's going to push right. Yes, then it's my time. I'm there. Right? But now what happened? He holds my leg. My leg. If the arm here, no, keep the arm here. So the arm here, right? So look, Control. This knee here is gonna go behind the knee, the neck, and I'm gonna do a rotation. Again. Pay attention, guys. The arm has two ways to go. One is a little arm, you know, on you. The other one is when the arm is on the other side. So, first one, his arm is still kind of here. Look, when I bump, I control. Yeah, he controls like this. Look what I do. Look, control. I just hold the wrist here. Now it's my. I don't do this because he posture up. And keep the arm out. I lose. Go back. Boom. Go here. Look. Pop from here. If he try to do the rotation, fix myself. Everybody understand this one or no?
What was the difference between those two?
Let's go on to that. You know what you should do? Making a DVD. Now, put to your face with your voice and sell it. Yes, of course. You can do it. You can do it already. He can help you. He can help you. You can even use my voice, you know, to be legit like a Brazilian, you know, speaking in English with accent. You know? And Lithuanian, yeah, could be too.
Mantuką reikia.
Ką?
Panas, savo ratuką pasdės, tačiau mantuką.
Nusivėmęs, gulė.
Laukiam, galiu žinai. Kas jau bloga?
Šiandien ryte išsivėmęs baisiai. Šiandien net galvoju, ar varyti ar ne. Neturi energijos visai. Kažkas su skrandžiu sakė.
Kaip suprantu šiandien?
Paulius, pasimsim? Ateik, ateik. Dai, Pauliu, kokią kietą techniką parodyk. Kokią kietą techniką parodyk. Tokią, kur nieks nežino. Kur Andrai niekada neparodys.
Kuris tatamis geresnis Vilnius?
Jo, kuris tatamis geresnis Vilnius?
Tatamis yra
Kuris geresnis?
Aš žinau, man viena nori. Man nesiskiria, aš nenudegu nu ne vieną.
Bet jeigu reiktų rinktis.
Fūčiau čia rinkčiaus.
Bet maistinasi gerai maistinasi.
Man jie labai panašus.
Bet jis sakė, jam ir čia ir ten gerai, tai jam Kaunas taip pat gerai kaip Vilnius. Va, Kaunės visai, jam gerai ir Vilnius. Taip pat kaip Kaunė.
Bet Vilniui dvi salės.
Bet Vilniui dvi salės.
Šiandien skaičiuoju.
O Vilniui ir bus du Akropolį.
Ai, beje, kas ką šį laimėjo?
Girdėjau, pas jūs stadionas. Kažkas nori.
Tai kuri salė geresnė šitą ar Naugarduko?
Naugarduko, nes priprakytų. Ten turi su žmonėm, bet ir su bakterijom.
Longer went back. Step in. Even like that.
Andrėja į Lietuvą keliavo realiai dėl bardako, ne dėl džimo. Vis laiką aplanko, pasižiūri, ar jie atsinaujinę, ne? Ar naujų vietų atsidarė kur nors. Jeigu kai Šilalėje atsidarytų irgi keliautų tenai. Nesvarbu, kad džimo nėra, bet varyti bardako. Dabar, na, pažiūrėt, ar dirba, ne? Čekinu.
Let's try to do some rounds. We're gonna switch, you know, not doing like big rounds, but like 3 minutes rounds for people, you know, share the opportunity to train with each other. You know, like higher belts, help the lower belts. Let's make these guys, you know, killers, for they can kill us later. This is the goal. It's amazing because like I say these things, but it's I see the improvement of you guys, you know, and before I would come over here and say, okay, I can train with everybody, no problem. Now I have like to train to come over here, right? So I have to be ready, prepare to do not like show bad, you know? Guys with more rank, you have to understand, I know that you pass, you know, through like, you know, suffering and to be able to learn Jiu-Jitsu, but on the same time, like you have to understand the concept of like help someone to get closer to your level for you can improve in your level, right? If you are so high, you know, here and the guys are low, you're not gonna be able to improve. So like bring these guys closer to you if you can improve a little bit more. Put yourself in bad situations, you know. Be there, you know, let the guys working from there. Don't be, you know, like I have to win all the time. And on the end, it's like one have to help each other. And the idea of, you know, jiu-jitsu, it's so frustrating and so hard to learn that everybody, once they have a chance, they want to like kill the other one, right? It's very natural on us. But on the end of the day, if you can like put in mind that like you don't need to be, you know, straight to the person that you already beat, you know, like easy to beat, you know, make them, you know, like a better training partner for you in the future. So the best way to go is, you know, taking care of the person. So like if you are, you know, higher belt, please always, you know, help the lower belt. I'm a higher belt, I'm not gonna help anybody. I don't care. All right, so fix the gear, drink some water, let's go do some rounds. We're gonna switch between. You're gonna be the timer every 3 minutes. Who's gonna do the first point? 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 The first point. Who's gonna do the first points at the gym?
I mean, that's fun.
Don't give up, don't give up.
First point. 1, 2. No, not yet, not yet. My point's red. My point's red. He's on the net. He's on the net. 2 points for me. Advantage. Let's go, guys. Get your partner. Let's go.
Jisai sakė, kad jisai laimės, kai su kiekvienu rolinu.
Tu laimėsi, jo. Tu nelaimėsi. Nesąlgai. Aš jam leidžiu laimėti. Aš jam Išimk šitą. Išimk. Aš galvoju, mano pusė.
Aš tai buvau tavo pusė, bet jisai nebuvo tavo pusė.
Vaikas, laikas.
Laimėjai? Ko nepakvietei?